Hey guys, this is Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage. So, as you'll notice here, we got the pillar pod and the 3 gauges, the air fuel ratio, boost gauge, and exhaust gas temperature. And the reason they're sitting here under the hood is because I've got them connected to the battery. So, like anything else in modern times, ordered the 3 gauges. They came in kind of slow, but they got here. I've got the pillar pod, put everything together, and brought it out here just to test power. And 2 out of 3 gauges were defective right out of the box. So that's basically 66% failure. So called the company up. They said, try this, try that. My customer says, hell with it. Let's just get some other gauges coming, and we'll go from there. So he ordered the same gauges again through Amazon, and got them here. I got them wired up. This looks like a mess now, but when everything's wired in the truck and hidden, it won't look like a mess. But they all 3 work. I can do this one-handed. I can reach this one better. But they're color changing. There's orange, yellow. There's the standard kind of blue-white. Blue, pink, darker pink, orange, red, blue, another blue, blue, green. So on this they'll be set to green. Obviously, with the engine being green, that's the theme. So I can't say that I give this company Glow Shift a bad review, because 2 out of 3 gauges were bad right out of the box. I think that's normal in this modern world, and I think that it's that's not going to change anytime soon until things are made here in America again, and people believe in quality, making quality products and quality control and inspecting things before they go out the door, instead of just mass production, throw it in a box and ship it to America. That's just my opinion. But, over the long term, we'll see how these gauges hold up. I do like the look of them. They'll look good in the truck. But it's taken, I've got 3 weeks wrapped up into this worth of time, waiting or getting them, wiring them up, screwing around with defective gauges, talking to the company, getting more coming, and then being back to this point. And, that's a lot of time. I don't know how I'm going to charge for that, but it'll come out in the wash. A lot of it, defective part isn't my fault. Customer buys their own parts. I don't. But nonetheless, they're just testing them for now, and they're staying lit. So I'm happy to see this. I'm happy to be at this point, because once I get these in now and get them hooked up, I can finish up a couple of turbo things and actually fire this truck up for the first time. So I didn't want to run it without the air fuel ratio. So, and some of you that have been around for a long time will remember that. Well, that's my shop name. I don't use it for my YouTube channel, but that used to be my channel name as well. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So, just want to show you guys this. This isn't really much of a video, and like I say, I'm not going to give these guys a poor rating until these gauges are running the truck for a while, and we'll see how they work out. See, they might be a great product. but they didn't start out great. So, alright guys, well, thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting the channel. If you would, hit that like, share, subscribe buttons, ring the bell for notifications, and, push on the buttons. It's free. Doesn't cost you a dime, and it really helps the channel out, helps the channel grow. So, anyway, we'll catch you in the next one.